Having an Android application is really a great advancement for your business, most especially if you own an online store or a website and you would like your visitors to access your website using their mobile devices without having to go into the web browser and type in your website address. So having to have this Android application, it is often expensive, and most often if you don't want to buy, you will need to write some source code, which is really frustrating if you don't know. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can have an Android application for your website or online store or your business for free without having to pay anything. So we get into it right after the intro. Okay, we're back, and now we're going to be using a website. We're going to go into a website which builds the application for free and automatically with just some few clicks that you're going to do. But first off, you're going to need some things. You need an app icon of 180 pixels by 2. That's a square of 180 pixels in a PNG format. That's a logo of your brand in the PNG format of 180 pixels by 2. That's the length and the width. And you need a splash screen of its own dimensions will be shown in the video. So when you open your web browser and you search for, or you enter the web address given in the description. Okay, so once you're here, you see you can read some basic stuff right here. You see enter a web URL, add information, build and publish, and you can read down to the features: website to app builder, YouTube app builder, Facebook app builder, advanced push notification, and all the rest. As you can see, there is a free plan. Let me go to the plans and pricing. You see there's a free plan, a plan of 9.99 cents per month, and small business plan, large business plan, unlimited plan. So you see for the free, you can get the features which are available for the free. So once a year, you take note, make sure you check out the plans and pricing, and if you see you fit with it, and now you go back to the home tab. At the home tab, you click here and enter your website URL. Your website URL is the address of your website. So in this video, we're going to be using our website, which is mtuto.com. So I'll enter it. And then you click on try for free. And then you see enter your name. So enter brand name, enter your email, which is here, enter email, I'm going to use a demo email, a temp mail, because I already got the app. So I'm going to just use a temporary email for this, but you can use your real email. There won't be any problem, and I'll advise you to use your real email. Waiting for the inbox to load. Okay, so this is the email I copied, and come and paste it right here, and then enter your password. Then you click on free instant access. Okay, so when you bypass this step, you see a little notice right up here. You see we have sent an email notification, so you have to confirm your email. Come here, this is the email that arrived. Okay, so you click on the link sent to your email address and open the new tab, and immediately you're going to be shown this: thank you for using AutoPress, we are happy to see you on board. So once you do what you do next, once you're here, you just click on create push version, and this is where everything is going to be happening. So here you enter your application name. Ours is AIM. I'm going to enter AIM tutorials, and then for the app launcher icon, this is the delicate part. If you upload an app icon which doesn't correspond with this dimension given here, your app is going to be rejected. So make sure you upload an icon with this dimension. If you have your logo and then the dimension don't correspond, what you can do is you come to the internet and search for image resizer. Come here, you select image. For the logo that doesn't, you can look for any logo right here. Then you click on resize. You upload your image. Forgetting to put the dimension is gonna do nothing to the image. So what you do is when you upload the image, you click on dimensions and you come enter 180 by 180, and then you click on resize. Okay, search bar for the image, the logo, come on dimension 180 by 180, click on resize. See, you upload an image, and now your image is ready for download. You can see your image PNG image resize at the end here. So you just click on download and it's going to download your image in the 180 by 180 format. So once you have that, you come now to your AutoPress dashboard. After you've provided your name, you select the icon, the app icon, which is this that I resize. This is the one I resize. You see here 180 by 180, so I choose that and open. So they say app splash screen image, only PNG image, ideal size 750 by 1334. So what you're going to do is you're going to create an app splash with Canva. So you can either go to canva.com and create an app splash right there. You sign up, you create an app splash with a custom size, custom dimension. Alternatively, for more features, you can get Canva Pro from this website. The link will be provided in the description. So once you come to the website, you click on search bar and search for Canva Pro. Okay, this Canva Pro, it's an APK, so you download it on your phone and you do it on your phone, then you upload it to your PC. You download this premium version and use the full features which are unlocked. So Once you've had the splash screen, make sure the dimension is this dimension. So I've already done mine for the sake of this tutorial. I've done it. I don't want to waste your time in this video, so I'll just choose the file. Here's it. Open, and immediately it's going to match right there. Alternatively, you can also create app splash screen for your website by contacting AliExpress, the developers, but you can do it yourself. You don't have to contact them because you don't know when to reply, so what you do is you do it yourself. Okay, now this is the monetization step. You say please enter @mob interstitial @id @unit. So what you do is this option is off. This is optional. If you don't have an AdSense interstitial @unit ID, then you skip this step. If you have it, then you put your app here @id right here. And if you have it for iOS too, you tick here and enter that of iOS. And now you see the next step is please enter the bundle ID. So this is the domain that I've given in brackets here, e.g. com.alipress.help. So you can enter the domain of your website or any other thing of your choice. Okay, so what I'll enter here is I'll just enter the domain of the website like this, and then they say note this bundle ID should match with your app provision profile on App Store. Okay, so you see here the next they'll ask you the version. Please enter your app version 1 or 1.1 or 1.2 or 1.3 or even a higher version. If it's a new release of your app, obviously it's going to be 1, but you can still go to 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, depending on you. So once you do that, we enter 1.1 here, and what you do next is you click on build generate app. Immediately it's going to be creating app, so it's going to take some little time to create the application. So just hold on and wait for the app to be created. I'll pause the video and resume once the app is created. Okay, so the app has been created successfully, and what you can do here is you have direct access to your application. You can download the bundle here, or you can download the bundle here actually, or you can recreate your application. Equally, you can remove it, and you can send push notification to your application users. So you just click on download here and the app will be downloaded. Click on download and the app just downloads in a minute right here. Okay, the app has been downloaded, so let me install the app. It's available, almost forgetting, it's available for Android, iOS version, Blackberry, Amazon Fire. So you can download for all these operating systems, these platforms. It's available for all of them. That's the great part of this. So what I'll do next is I'm going to install the application from the phone and mobile device. So I'll pause the video and install it. Okay, so I've installed the application on my mobile device, my Android device. So you can see it right here and tutorials. So just let me open the application and show you how it is. This is the splash screen, and this is the application of the website. That's it. You can see all your web contents are available in the application, meaning your web visitors can access them directly from their mobile device without having to come into the web browser and searching for your website. So yeah, they're just going to see your content, your new content, all they like, and all your releases. Equally, you can do this with your online store if you have an online store. And this WordPress also has a WordPress app builder. So if you're a WordPress user, you can use their app builder, the WordPress app builder plugin, which is available in the WordPress. Okay, let's say in the case where you want to recreate your application, you just come right here. You want to update the application, let me put it that way. You come here, recreate app, and here you put in the website address as I showed you, name, choose the file once more. That's where you want to change maybe the icon. I'll select the same icon, and the splash screen is going to be the same. So I choose the splash screen, the same splash screen. No add no ID, no this, and yeah, I'm gonna put image to come just like that, and here I put 1.2. Previous version is 1.1. I come build / generate app, and the app is gonna be built and recreate it or recreate it, and you are able to put it. So this video, share, subscribe, and comment below how your application has been created, and if possible comment to us the link of the application. Now, most question you can ask yourself is, can you upload this application in the Play Store? The answer I'm going to give you is yes. You can upload this application, you can upload it in the Play Store or App Store. So feel free to use the application because it is yours. So this is how you create an Android application for your website or your online store to easily captivate and keep your visitors and customers focused on your content. So guys, give a thumbs up to this video if you like it. Also share, subscribe for more videos like this.